How to add phone number on Ubisoft. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add phone number on Ubisoft. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head towards the ubisoft.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. So in order to add phone number, head over to the profile icon at the top right and click on it. From this menu bar, you have to click on account management. That's gonna take you to a different page. Onto this page, head towards the account information and click on it. Scroll down a bit and under your private information, there you have this edit button. You have to click on it. Scroll down a bit and there is a phone number section where you can add a phone number. You have to click on add a phone number. For that, first of all, you have to verify your identity. For that, you will receive a code in your Gmail account. So simply click on send. Head back to your Gmail and look for the inbox from the Ubisoft where you will receive a verification code. Once you have entered the code, click on submit. Now once you're verified, you'll be able to add phone number. Type in your phone number right here. Then tap on add. Again, for the verification, you will receive a code by SMS to your mobile number. All you have to do is enter your security code or the code that you receive right here and simply click on submit. And once verified, your phone number will be added into your account. So that's how you can add phone number on Ubisoft, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.